Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the updates of Odoo 18.2, that is folding of hours in the Gantt view. Let's move on to the project module and we can just consider the project which is sales order. So in the sales order, you can find that we have the Gantt view and let me open that. So in this case, we can fold the off hours to maximize the usable space for scheduling tasks, slots and booking. So in this case, you can see that March 2025, because we are in the month March 2025. So we will be having off days for the company, which means on those days we won't be working. So when you just look into the calendar, we know 1st of March and 2nd of March are Saturday and Sundays. So most probably we won't be working on Saturdays and Sundays. So we can just fold the hours over here and unfold that. So currently you can see 1st of March is Saturday and 2nd of March is Sunday. So if we are not working on that day, we just need to fold off hours over there. So you can see then again when we just unfold this, you can see that 8th and 9th are again Saturday and Sunday, and we won't be working on those days, and we can easily fold all the off hours or non-working days in the Gantt view. So this would allow you to maximize a usable space. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.